If you want to learn German alphabets, keep watching. The German alphabets are also called Buchstaben. So before we continue, there is a disclaimer for you. Please read it carefully. Okay, let's continue. So what's different than English alphabets? So German alphabets are more than 26 alphabets, and these extra alphabets are A umlaut, O umlaut, U umlaut, and acet. These double dots are called umlaut and acet is called acet. If you don't have German keyboard, A double dot or A umlaut is written as AE, O umlaut is written as OE, U umlaut is written as UE, and acet is written as double S. The letter acet will never appear at the beginning of a word. And for pronunciation, A umlaut is called A, we bet, O umlaut is called U, and U umlaut is called U. And pronunciation thing as it is quite easy. Then pronunciation of some alphabets are completely different. For example, W of German sounds like V in English, V in German sounds like F in English, and most of the time S in German sound like Z in English. So here is my series, Mitsingen und Deutsch lernen. That means sing along and learn. Welcome to our Buchstaben Lied. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, U, H, E, Ö, und das Ö zum Lernen, es ist nicht so früh. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z, U, H, E, Ö, und S, Z. Nun ist das Alphabet komplett. Keep listening to this song and repeat with me. But before ending this video, I would like to acknowledge Easy Online German. I'm putting the link of the channel in this description below. And I would like to sincerely thank you for completing this chapter with me. I appreciate the effort that you are putting into learning German, and maybe you are exhausted after your hard day at your work, at study or something like that. But I believe we can do it. Keep watching. All the best.